Came up from the start and now we taking over. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They trying to stop.
What do you think of that? That was all done by AI. Today we are going to create a Kanye West song with AI. So let's go. First go to ChatGPT and type, I want to create a Kanye West song with AI. Please give me the lyrics, and I also need some small keywords for the style of music. Now go to Suno. It's a free-to-use AI music generator. Go to Create, and now paste the lyrics. Now copy the music style from ChatGPT and add it to Suno, as well as the song title. Now press Create. Now it will generate two versions with the same prompt. Normally it takes like 10 seconds, and then you can already listen, but this time it took a bit longer. Here it is, let's have a listen.
Told them I was chosen, now they see me glowing. Came up from the bottom, now we taking over. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They try to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like it's televised. I came from the shower, the winters get cold, but my heart been frozen since platinum was sold. They said I was crazy, they said I was lost. Now they pay $1 million, just hear what it costs. Fashion we fitted, I walk like I own it. Step in arenas, the whole world condone it. I speak like a prophet, they look for atonement. Making these classes, no need for a moment. I don't do rules, I just do me. They see the vision in 3D. I need a throne, I need my seat. Look at the heights, I don't need a peak. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They try to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like it's televised. Industry fake, I just laugh at the gimmicks. I drop a verse, turn it straight to a business. They try to box me, but I reinvent it. Now every album a whole new dimension. Took all my pain and I turn it to power. I see the game and it's looking devoured. Easy the legend, they speaking my name. Give me my flowers, I build my own lane. All of these years and they still in denial. All of these moves and they still taking notes. I'm in my zone, I ain't worried about rappers. Legacy written, it's already wrote. Yeah. Told them I was chosen, now they see me glowing.
Just amazing. Let's listen to the second one.
Told them I was chosen, now they see me glowing. Came up from the bottom, now we taking over. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They tried to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like it's televised. I came from the shower, the winters get cold, but my heart had been frozen since platinum was sold. They said I was crazy, they said I was lost. Now they pay $1 million just to hear what it costs. Fashion we fitted, I walk like I own it. Step in arenas, the whole world condoning. I speak like a prophet, they look for atonement. Making these classes, no need for a moment. I don't do rules, I just do me. They see the vision in 3D. I need a throne, I need my seat. Look at the heights, I don't need a peak. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They tried to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like it's televised. Industry fake, I just laugh at the gimmicks. I drop a verse, turn it straight to a business. They try to box me, but I reinvent it. Now every album a whole new dimension. Took all my pain and I turned it to power. I see the game and it's looking devoured. Easy the legend, they speaking my name.
Okay, wow, that one is great, but it just already sounds exactly like Drake is singing it. So let's go for the first song and download that one. Now go to Jamabay. The link for that will be in the description as well. Now search for Kanye West and pick this one. Click on Create Cover and now add the song from Suno. Press Next Step. Now you can opt to add some auto-tune, and I will add it because Kanye West uses a lot of auto-tune. And now press Convert. Now the generation will take around 1 minute. This only took 30 seconds. Let's have a listen.
I was chosen, now they see me glowing. Came up from the bottom, now we taking over. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They trying to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like they televised. I came from the shine where the winners get cold, but my heart been frozen since platinum was sold. They said I was crazy, they said I was lost. Now they pay a million, just kill what it costs. Fashion, we fit it up well like I own it. Step in the rears, the whole walking down it. I speak like
Okay, amazing. Now we can download the song in its entirety, but since we want to do some modifications, we will download the a cappella and instrumental separately. Now add them both to CapCut and put them on top of each other like this. I will make the a cappella a bit softer. Now, I will make cuts in the a cappella and add some echo or reverb, so go to the voice changer, and here is a lot to choose from. Obviously, you could use any audio editing software to have some more control, but this is just me showing that it is also possible in CapCut. Now here comes a trick. Add the original Suno song to the playlist and now mute the rest. Go to Captions and generate the auto lyrics. This way, you will have automatically the lyrics. Just amazing. Let's pick a nice template, and of course you can unmute the others and mute the Suno track. Now we're going to create the visualizer or music video with AI as well. Go to ChatGPT and write, "Now I want to generate an AI music video for it. With my AI video generator, please give me enough video prompts for that," in text form. Now copy the prompt and go to Hailu AI, an amazing free-to-use AI video generator. Go to Text to Video and generate the videos. They will take some time to generate. Add them to CapCut, add some filters. I also added this very cool effect to the video. Export it in 4K when you are done. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Kanye West song with AI, have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
I was chosen, now they see me glowing. Came up from the bottom, now we taking over. I've been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They trying to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like they televised. I Came from the shower, the winters get cold, but my heart been frozen since platinum was sold. They said I was crazy, they said I was lost. Now they pay $1 million, just kill what it costs. Fashion, we fit it up well like I own it. Step in the arenas, the whole world condone it. I speak like a prophet, they look for atonement. Making these classes only for a moment. I don't do moves, I just relive. They see the vision, it's pretty. I need a bro, when I say, look at the heights, I don't need a peak. I've been in God mode, can't you my vibes. They try to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like it's televised. Industry fake, I just laugh at the gimmicks. I drop a verse, turn it straight to a business. They try to box me, but I reinvent it. Now every album a whole new dimension. Took all my pain, I turn it to power. I see the game, it's fucking devoured. Easy the legend, they speaking my name. Give me my flowers, I put my own way. All of these years, and it's still in denial. All of these moves, and it's still in notes. On the looks of nothing break on. Legacy written, it's already wrote. Told them I was chosen, now they see me glowing. Came up from the bottom, now we taking over. I baked in the shower, the winters get cold, but my heart been frozen since platinum was sold. They said I was crazy, they said I was lost. Now they pay $1 million, just kill what it costs. Fashion, we fit it out well like I own it. Step in the arenas, the home up and down it. I speak like a prophet, they look for atonement. Making these classes only for a moment. I don't do news, wait just to me. They see the vision in 3D. I need a throne, I need my seat. Look at the heights, I don't need a peak. I been in God mode, yeah, you know the vibes. They try to stop me, but I still rise. I don't take orders, I just decide. They watch my steps like it's televised. Yeah. Told them I was chosen, now they see me going. Came up from the bottom, now we taking over.